The fourth industrial revolution, or Industry 4.0, is revolutionizing the way we live and work. At the core of this transformation is the Internet of Things, or IoT. IoT refers to a network of physical devices, vehicles, home appliances, and other objects embedded with sensors, software, and connectivity that allow them to collect and exchange data. This data can then be analyzed to provide insights and improve efficiency across a range of industries. In the manufacturing industry, IoT is having a significant impact on production processes. By using sensors and data analysis, manufacturers can monitor equipment and machines in real time to identify potential problems and avoid costly downtime. IoT is also making it possible to automate processes and increase production efficiency. In the logistics and supply chain industry, IoT is being used to improve inventory management and optimize delivery routes. Beyond industry, IoT is also transforming the way we live in cities. Smart cities are using IoT to monitor traffic, reduce energy consumption, and improve public safety. And in our homes, IoT is allowing us to control our appliances and devices remotely, making our lives more convenient and efficient. The impact of IoT on the fourth industrial revolution is clear. By harnessing the power of data and connectivity, IoT is enabling us to create smarter, more efficient, and more connected systems across all industries and aspects of our lives.